What you say, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. It's Saturday. That means it's the weekend. The weekends where winners are made. You guys know that the weekends where empires are built. But today, I have some news for you guys. We are all addicts. Whether you know it or you didn't know it, you're an addict. Whether I know you or I don't know you, you are an addict. We are all addicts. Everybody is an addict. Now you're probably wondering, how do I know that? I'm sorry, but I do know that. The reason I know that is because we are all addicted to something. No matter what it may be, we're all addicted to something. Some people are addicted to junk food, watching TV, social media, procrastinating, wasting time, sleeping in. And those habits give them happiness, brief happiness, but never an actual sense of fulfillment. Now, at the same time, there are also other addicts. And these addicts are addicted to hard work, good habits, making money, getting things done on time, staying focused, staying disciplined, being consistent, learning, exercising, being healthy, planning, creating, helping themselves. They're addicted to a lot of things as well. But as you can see, they get their high from achieving and fulfilling. And obviously, their highs lead to achievement and fulfillment. They are productive, they're more successful. And why is that? Well, you don't need to be a genius to work that out. But as always, like I said, today is Saturday, it's the weekend, so I'm here to make winners. So if I want to make you a winner today, I need to make you guys understand it. You're addicted to something bad or you're addicted to something good, but you're all addicted. Some of you guys are addicted to achievement and growth and improving yourself. Some of you guys are addicted to, entertainment, quick highs, and stuff which is not long-term. We are all addicted no matter what. So how do you become addicted to good stuff I talked about? The learning, the creativity, the improvement, the self-improvement, the being healthy. How do you become addicted to those things? Well, as we all know, it takes about 21 days to form a habit. Whether that's a habit which is good, whether that's a habit which is bad, it doesn't matter. It takes about 21 days to form that habit. So if you want to become addicted to doing the right things, you've got to start off slow. You cannot make drastic changes. That doesn't work in anything. For example, I want to start going to the gym. I've never been to the gym before. I'm going to start going, 7 times a week, some days twice, go stay there in the gym 3 hours, do everything. That's not going to last long. That's a very short-term way of doing something and it's not going to keep you fulfilled for a long time. While I do want you to get out of your comfort zone and try and improve your life, I don't want you to make too drastic changes. So to start off with, I'd say doing stuff like, taking control of your life and taking the right actions to improving yourself. Things which are just as simple as getting out of bed on time, learning to, wake up on your own time, not setting alarms, learning to do things within the first 5 seconds of you thinking about doing them, not procrastinating, not waiting, not holding off. You're going to understand that the more you take necessary action, the more you become a winner and the more you can build an actual empire. Everybody who wins, everybody who's successful, everyone who does what you want to do, everyone you see on TV, social media, who are filling out their dreams, who are living out their dreams, they did it because they can stay disciplined in hard times. They not only focused on motivation to get things done now, they can stay disciplined when, the days they don't want to do something. If you have to go to gym every day, there are going to be days when you do not feel like going to gym. If you're an athlete, you understand what I'm talking about because there are days you do not want to train, but you have to train to get better because not only will you get better, but also you're going to feel a sense of fulfillment afterwards. Other people around the world who you're going to be competing against are getting better. So why would you not get better? Every single time you miss a gym session, every single time you miss a writing session, every single time you fail to upload a video, every single time you fail to produce content, you're going to struggle. Why? Because other people who you're competing against for the same attention, same audience, are obviously doing their stuff. They're getting things done. And if you're not, you're only falling behind. You stagnate when you stay in your comfort zone. That's what I'm telling you. Get out of that comfort zone. A lot of people, unfortunately, are addicted to being in the comfort zone. And this comes from, being scared to do new things, being used to what they've got, being satisfied. A lot of the times I've told you guys before, being satisfied can obviously, hurt you. Obviously, it stops you from fulfilling stuff. You want a sense of achievement, you want a sense of fulfillment, go and do stuff which you've never done before. Go and do stuff which you don't want to do. Go and do stuff which you didn't want to do at the beginning of the day, but you knew you had to get it done and you did it. Don't focus on what you want to do. Focus on what you need to do because it's going to lift you up. It's going to take you to that next level. We all have goals and dreams. Some of us make them, some of us don't. Now, there are some people who don't get to that dream, don't get that goal, but along the way, they really push hard and they get to something better. They get to something which is just as good. There are the other people who don't even push hard enough for their goals and dreams. They think it's too far-fetched. Or, even worse, they don't set big enough goals and dreams. If you want to be that person who's addicted to success, working hard, fulfillment, learning, creativity. You need to start small. You need to start doing stuff repetitively each and every day, knowing that you're going to get it done because you have to. You're going to get it done because you need to. You're going to get it done because your future depends on it. You're going to get it done because you have a massive reason why behind it. For those of you who are addicted to food, bad habits, sleeping in, social media, entertainment, I understand you guys. I'm not going to criticize you guys too much because I understand exactly where you come from. I've done that before in the past and I understand how easy it is. There are many bad habits which give us temporary happiness but never actual fulfillment. And it's easy to slip into those kind of things. I'm telling you, it is so easy. We all know it's so easy to sit down on the couch, feet up, with some Cheetos next to us, some food, some pizza, put on Netflix, have remotes next to us, lie down, be comfortable, have a few snacks there, have a few drinks there, and just chill and enjoy the entertainment. We feel happy in that moment. We feel nice, but we're not actually feeling anything. You're not getting things done. In 5 years, are you going to remember, what you watched there and then? No, you're not. In 5 years, are you going to remember the nights that you worked hard to push yourself to the goals? Are you going to remember those times that you didn't want to go out in the rain and jog? Are you going to remember those times you didn't want to get up, get in the car, drive to work, and get things done? You will remember those things. You don't always remember those things which have a short sense of happiness, short-term happiness. Because at the end of the day, we all have two options. We have long-term happiness, we have short-term happiness. Long-term happiness often comes from short-term pain. Short-term happiness, on the other hand, is the cause of long-term pain. You've got to be disciplined somehow. Some of you guys are disciplined when it comes to staying consistent with watching your series, staying consistent with keeping up on social media, staying consistent with scrolling through your phone, looking at people's news feeds. Some of you guys are consistent when it comes to always getting a job done, always finding a way, pushing hard, working hard, being creative, being productive. And it gives you guys a nice sense of achievement and fulfillment in the long run. There are many people who are not productive because they've not learned to be productive and they've never come out of that phase. There are many people who are productive because they've taken a step from being unproductive to become productive. I've taken that step myself. I was once very unproductive and now I'm a lot more productive. It comes from patience, it comes from discipline, it comes from doing what you don't want to do, going past uncertainty, going past obstacles, and getting to where you deserve to be. We all want to make a little bit of this in our lives, even if it's just a few dollars each and every day. We want to make it without having to do anything. That's passive income. That's what winners do. Winners build empires as well. And how do you build an empire? When you can learn to change this, into this, all in a few seconds, all in a few hours, wherever it may be. Once you learn to do that without putting in a lot of effort, without putting in a lot of time, you're on the right path. Once you learn to do that and stay disciplined doing that, you're obviously on the right path. Once you learn to do that and keep doing that without putting in a lot of hours in, without putting a lot of effort in, guess what? You're on the road to becoming a winner and you're on the road to building an empire. I want you guys to do well. That's why I make these videos. I told you I want to make at least one person close to financial freedom each and every day. One person close to success each and every day. One person become better, more financially aware. Make more money, learn how to make more money, more adventurous. We need to help more people do these kind of things, so make sure you guys are sharing these videos with your friends. As always, I want you guys to make sure you're liking the videos as well. Show me that you like the video, show me that you like the content. Comment on the channel as well. I love the comments, so keep that up. But that's today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Go out, have a great Saturday, do what you need to do, and obviously get your stuff done. Do what you need to do, not what you want to do. I'm going to tell you guys that multiple times. Do what you need to do, not what you want to do. Long-term happiness, not short-term happiness. But I've been in money management, and I've got money to making. You've got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.